Okay, Assalamu alaikum. I am learning. Okay, I know, mashallah, you put your title, you are learning. We all are learning. If I cross someone who is praying my 2 or 3 rows back in mosque, he didn't use sutra in front. Is it permissible? Yes, you can. You can go from a distance where a person is, performing the sajda. The restriction is that you can't cross the person where the distance is between him and the place he performs the sajda. In between that, you can't cross whatsoever it is. And if you are trying to cross, the one who is praying, he has the full right to stop you. But if the person has not put the sutra, it is his mistake, because he should have at least this knowledge that you are praying, so you should keep some sutra in front of you. Otherwise, shaitan will cross your namaz. And if you can see man crossing, you can still say that man is crossing, but you can't see jinn, you can't see shaitan, and shaitan will cross your salah. And even if you are in the masjid, shaitan will enter the masjid and he will do that. So for you it is permissible, because you are just going 2-3 rows ahead of the person, inshallah.